All right, now we're putting this new airbag on. First, make sure you put this one on the kit. This it comes with this copper or aluminum spacer here. So that one go in first. Could be upside down. Right there. Then the next one is this O-ring. Hard to work with one hand. Imagine those people with only one hand working. That'll be tough. And then next, put the bag on. See how narrow right here, and then longer right here. Flat face right here, and then it's round on this side. So basically, the too narrow one is facing the engine. Let's say this would be on the driver's side, this will be facing the passenger side fender. So you can tell with this sway bar right here, this is the front, and this one is the back. So that means it goes this way, like that, narrow, and then the longer one. Let's go like that. And yeah, and then next will be putting that nut, and then away you go. Same thing. This is how I took this piece off. Is the same thing how you put it back. Get the nut in there. It's gonna spin out, so you put a Allen key inside. I'm gonna have to find my Allen key. Basically, that's it. Now, just tighten up that bolt. Put the new this top mount seal, and then snap ring, and then yeah, bolt it down back into the vehicle. So thanks for watching, and this is just showing you how to disassemble the bag off the struts and then putting it back in. And if you have any question, yeah, just let me know in the comments and I can answer some question. Thanks guys, I'll see you again.